guys, welcome back to another video. Today is all about delicious and healthy food to help me feel re-energized and healthy and rejuvenated after a weekend of camping and eating some not so healthy food, but still delicious because sometimes you just gotta eat what you feel like even if it's not very healthy. Today's breakfast bowl is all about the health and the nutrition and giving me energy and putting life back into my body. So I'm making a smoothie bowl. We're adding in tons of fresh and frozen fruit. So I've got some berries, I've got all those fresh fruits that you saw, and I work out a lot, so I like to add protein powder to my smoothies and smoothie bowls when I can. And yeah, adding frozen fruit makes it super thick and luscious and chilly and frozen, and it gives it a nice thick texture, which I love. But if you don't have any frozen fruit, you can totally just make a smoothie the way you would normally make it and just put it in a bowl. And then now it's time for the fun part, adding in all of our toppings. So for Brad's bowl, we're adding sunflower seed butter because he doesn't do peanut butter. And then just adding some fun toppings, doing some nuts, seeds. You can add pretty much whatever you want. I always have a pretty fully stocked pantry with all sorts of mix-ins for meals like this. Smoothie bowls, oatmeals, you name it. Brad and I both sometimes crave different toppings. As you can see here, we're both choosing different nuts and mix-ins and things. I'm putting shredded coconut, or rather toasted coconut, cacao nibs, sunflower seeds. He did the pecans, walnuts, and raisins, and shredded coconut. So yeah, I love having a well-stocked pantry to add lots of different textures, variations, and other nutritious little munchy things to my breakfast. So love smoothie bowls. If you haven't ever made one, you definitely need to try making them. They will change your breakfasts. Oh man, it is the perfect morning for a smoothie bowl. Look how gloriously beautiful it is. Blue sky everywhere, not a cloud in sight. It is going to be so beautiful today, so hot, and so perfect morning for a smoothie bowl. This is so refreshing, and it's so filling, and it's so healthy, and there's so much nutrition in here. It's like, so good. It's like eating ice cream for breakfast. If you use more frozen fruit than you would normally use for a smoothie, you get this wonderful, thick, creamy, scoopable, ice creamy texture. It's like all the wonderfulness of eating ice cream for breakfast, but with all of the nutrition of a smoothie. So good. Easy peasy, beep, 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 beep. Easy beep, I can't speak. Easy breezy, beautiful leftover lunch. That's what I was trying to say. We got leftovers from last night, which you guys didn't see what we ate last night, but we had kind of like fajita-ish bowls. I made some roasted yams with like fajita spices and some tofu, air fried both of those, had it with some salsa, some quinoa, some vegan cheese, a little bit of sour cream and guac. It was very delicious. So we have just a little bit left over, so I figured let's put it into a wrap. So that's exactly what I did. Now I'm gonna attempt to wrap it up. Now, I don't trust these wraps. You should take a look at Brad's wrap and see what happened to it. It's an absolute disaster. It ripped, it fell apart. So let's check this out. Please stay together. Oh my god. Oh my god, is it actually staying together? Satisfying. That is very satisfying. Bullseye barbecue sauce. Sweet and sticky. Actually, no. This is just Bold Original. Never mind. I think I should be in one of their commercials. I feel like I would do really well. So we're having some cauliflower wings, bites, whatever you want to call it. And I am whisking up a little concoction of the ranch sauce that came with it and barbecue sauce. And I should inform you that we are approaching dinner time, but this is not dinner. If you know me, you know that I have a pre-dinner snack quite often when I'm having a busy day like today. Crispy. Holy Veggie. I'm not just making an exclamation. This is the brand, Holy Veggie. Very delicious. Would recommend. Gluten-free, vegan, very crispy. We're having some barbecued corn and vegan burgers for dinner tonight.
Actually, poke bowls.
Oh, right. Thanks. We're having barbecued corn and poke bowls for dinner tonight. Aw, shucks. Smells good. Oh, you just shot me. I have dinner right here. Made this delicious, not very pretty, but should taste pretty, poke bowl. Used some cooked quinoa, which I had in the fridge from a few days ago, and just some kind of random stuff, random veggies that needed to get used up, like these radishes. That sound really southern of me. These here radishes need to get eaten up because they're kind of old, but still crunchy, so that's nice. And then we barbecued some corn, got some wakame salad, which is basically just seaweed that has been seasoned in lots of oil and sugar and salt. And some tofu for the protein, some edamame for the protein, and a delicious little kind of like a shoyu sauce. And yeah, delicious. Mmm. 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 That barbecued corn. Damn. If you're gonna put corn in anything this summer, make sure you barbecue it, because damn, it adds the most delicious barbecue flavor, you know? Like smoky and charred, and brings out the sweetness of the corn. Oh, so good. Mmm. There you go, guys, another day of delicious eating that I filmed just for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're looking to binge some more What I Eat in a Day videos, why don't you just hit this playlist right up here. Tons of other great videos with lots of foodie inspiration for you. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. I don't want you to miss out on some good stuff, because there's lots of it here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Toodaloo! Easy peasy beep 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 beep. Easy beep, I can't speak.